So what I have in front of me, what I'm going to be talking about and what I'm going to be discussing about is the Tiger Balm Ultra Strength Pain Revealing Ointment. Oh my goodness, let me just say, first of all, this ointment got it going on. This ointment is the best ointment I have ever tested out as far as what it's going to do to my body. And I am so glad that I looked this up months ago, and I absolutely love this balm. Like, I remember when I saw the post and it said the doctor or no, I think it said you don't have health insurance, and then this was labeled, I think tea was labeled, and then eating right, and I forgot what else, but anyway, anyway, I love this ointment. Like, I remembered when, and my legs, it kind of felt a little tight, just real tight. Like, ain't no other word to describe it. It was just really tight. Yeah, it was just tight. Let's just say it was tight. Anyway, and I had to move with these tight legs. So I had to try to stretch it and all that. It worked, But I was like, okay, I really want to try something else. And the ointments I was trying, it relieved the tightness and some of the soreness, but not to the point where I wanted to. And I know you can't really depend on ointment all the time, or you're not supposed to, or I don't know. I guess everybody has their own opinion, But anyway, when I put this on my legs, oh my goodness, I was like, what tightness? What soreness? Where? My legs felt so good. I was able to do what I needed to do, and after the activity was over with, active, activity, when you were, anyway, it kind of went back to the soreness, whatever, but put it back on again the next day, and it was good, and I was looking at reviews because I know they had a different one, and I wanted to see one that specify what I'm actually doing as far as active wise. And I was like, oh, and I saw this lady saying that what it was perfect for, the type of people, I guess, that that's really active. This is really good for you. So I really wanted to give it a try, and I'm so glad I gave it a try. My legs felt so good. Now, when you apply this on, at first you don't really feel anything, but after about, I give it 10 minutes, maybe 7 to 10 minutes, you start to feel a little tingling, a very cool tingling sensation in your legs. It's real cool. And then I remember I was like, okay, I feel like working. My legs were so tingled up. I don't even know if that's a word or a phrase or a sentence, correct sentence, but my legs were so tingled up. And then it got real cool. And before you know it, my legs felt brand new. Now the smell is strong. It has a very strong ointment smell. It doesn't stink, but normally what I do is to try to cover up so much of that ointment smell. I kind of put some nice, perfume on to kind of block that ointment smell out. Like I said before, it does not stink. It's just a strong ointment smell. It smells like ointment with, I don't know, I wouldn't say peppermint, but it just, I don't know. Anyway, I love this stuff. Oh, and it's the sports rub, okay? So it tells you that you're not supposed to use this. I think it says prior to bathing and after an hour. Yeah, wait. Okay, so these are things that you're not supposed to do. And this is what the uses are for. Temporary relief of minor aches, pains, muscles, and joints associated with simple backache, arthritis, bruises, strains, and sprains. You're not supposed to use it prior to bathing or 30 minutes after bathing. Okay, alright. So, and these are the ingredients of what it's made out of. And I love this stuff so much. Goodness. But it came in this thing right here, and then you can, you know, well, kind of, I mean, you can see where it also comes in with extra strength. This, oh, and another thing is this doesn't stain my clothes. It doesn't stain my clothes at all. So, you know, you pull the tab out, because it's, I'm just kind of showing you what it, pull the tab out, and then it comes out, you know, the jar, there's a jar right there, and I'm gonna try to untwist it. And it's so cute too, you know. You don't really need a lot, but I put it all up and down my leg. And I probably need to put some on my leg so I can kind of show you what it looked like. Okay, so it looked like, ooh, I need to clean my nails. Oh, and then it's go like this. Oh my goodness, let me get my nails done. Anyway, so I can kind of like get it a clear view of it. Okay, there we go. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then when you rub it together, just apply it onto where it's needed. I'm about to apply it on my leg now, so I don't be wasting this good product. Okay, but again, this is the Tiger Balm Ultra Strength Pain Relieving Ointment, the sports rub.